Day 17. Yesterday you practiced setting your end date. Today you're going to learn how to make your backtest behave like a specific real-world broker. Not every broker works the same way. Fees differ, margin rules differ, order handling differs. If your backtest ignores all of that, it's testing against a world that doesn't actually exist. So, what is set brokerage model? Set brokerage model is the method you call in initialize to tell your algorithm to simulate the fees, margin rules, and order behavior of a specific real-world broker. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left we have choosing the rules of a board game. On the right, set brokerage model. Imagine sitting down to play a board game that has a few official rule variants. House rules play differently than tournament rules, different penalties, different limits, different ways the game actually unfolds. You pick the rule set before the game starts, and that choice shapes every move after it. The rule variant here says, decide which version of the game you're actually playing. Set brokerage model works exactly the same way. It tells your algorithm which broker's real-world rules to simulate, which in this case is. If you set brokerage model to a specific broker, your backtest now applies that broker's actual fees and order rules to every trade, instead of some generic default. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of set brokerage model in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. Set brokerage model only affects how your charts look, not how trades are simulated, true or false. And the correct answer is false. Set brokerage model directly affects how trades are simulated, including fees, margin rules, and order behavior, based on a specific real-world broker.